Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a Gemini AI on your iPhones and also iPads. As you all know that Gemini is the Google largest and most capable AI tools that is combined with the capability of Google Bard and Duet AI. The Gemini AI chatbot imports text, images, audio, and video, and it delivers like a human responses. Interestingly, you don't need an Android phone. You can also use Gemini AI chatbot on your iPhones and also iPads without any hassles. Since the Apple generative AI will become later in this year, if you might want to try this Gemini AI chatbot on your iOS devices, let me show you how to do it. Firstly, go to your App Store and in the search bar type here Google app and install the Google app at your devices. After installing the app, go back and open the app and in the search bar type here gemini.google.com. Now page my screen, you can see Gemini chatbot is appeared. Now sign in and start chatting. Tap it sign in, enter your Google account. Appears my screen, you can see like this. Now start your conversation with your Gemini AI chatbot. Now if you want to try the second option, for Safari browser, open your Safari browser and in the search bar type here the same command gemini.google.com. Paste my screen, you can see. Now sign in too. If you want a quick access, simply tap at the share button. Now scroll it up and down the bottom you can see add to home screen. Tap at add to home screen and like this your Gemini chat board will be appears at the your home screen. Now tap at Gemini chatbot and like this you can quick access at your Gemini chatbot. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.